guys, today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Ulta when I went and shopped. Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing an Ulta haul. I'm super excited. I picked up a few things and I can't wait to show you guys. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, and make sure all notifications are set to on by clicking that bell notification icon, and we can go ahead and get into it. So I picked up quite a few items. These things, not all of them I had planned to get, but since I do work at Ulta now, I did want to try out some products and see how they worked. So I have my bag here and let's go ahead and get into it. So the very first product here is the Philosophy. It's the Philosophy 1 Minute to Glowing Skin Renewed Hope in HR. And it is basically a 1 minute to glowing skin peeling mousse to help visibly roll away dry, flaky skin for an instantly smooth, polished complexion. And when the salesperson actually put this on my skin, I didn't really believe it. But I did this with my fingers and my skin started like balling up and falling off, and it was insane to me. So I decided to go ahead and grab this. I wanted to see how it did on my blackheads. I haven't used it yet, so I can't give you guys a review, but I will be having one in a few weeks. So I usually like to test something for about a month, so I really know how it does, and then that will be coming your way very soon. But yeah, this is the first thing I got. And then the next thing is this, and it's the Hangover RX Good in Bed from Too Faced. So this is an ultra replenishing hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, coconut water, dragon fruit, and B5. And it's I actually had training on this, so I had training on all of their skincare. So I wanted to pick up something from them. And it says, drench skin with moisture day and night with a supercharged replenishing serum that works in and out of bed to deliver the ultimate lit from within healthy glow. And I love anything with hyaluronic acid. I like the texture of it. It has a pump, and I love the packaging, and I love Too Faced. I use a lot of their makeup. So I wanted to try this out. I think that it's a good brand. I don't think it's like a professional skincare. Like, I think if you want a professional skincare, go with a professional line. But I do think this is something to add in with professional skincare. Can pair really well with it. And I've had, the last time I tried it, it was just on my hand. But I really like the texture and everything like that. So the next product, I don't know if I bought this a few years ago. It is called Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Setting Spray, and I bet all of you have used it. And I think I used the De-Slick way back when, and I didn't like it. I found that I still got oily. But with this, I wanted to try it out, and she did this thing. Again, I got training on Urban Decay by a professional. She came in, she put like a swatch on her hand, sprayed it with this, and then like went like this, and it wouldn't come off. I was absolutely amazed. So I wanted to try it out, see how it does. Again, I'll give you that review in about a month, so look out for that. And yeah, but I just got the mini size because I didn't want to buy the full size if I don't like it. But basically it just keeps your makeup on your skin all day long. I bet everyone's used it. So yeah. The next thing I got from Urban Decay is their liner, and it's the 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil, and I got it in Perversion. This is their black, and I actually got recommended this by the professional, and then when I went shopping with my friend, she was like, I use it all the time, I love it, it's my go-to. So I decided to pick it up. That was my selling point. And you guys have probably all worn this and used it. I'm late to the game, and I can't wait to see how this does. It's just a basic black pencil. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, I also have a new ring light that I'm testing out. So let me know if you guys like the lighting, if you like the setup. But it was a little bit too big to put up my vanity because I don't have a lot of space in my bedroom for this big tripod. So it's a tripod and then a tripod behind it for the camera. So let me know if you like this lighting setup or if you liked my other setup better. Alright, another Too Faced item is the Damn Girl mascara, and yes, I was taught to say it that way when I'm selling the product, but this is their brand new mascara and I am so excited to try it out. I have not used the Better Than Sex yet, but I hear that this is a lot better. I've heard mixed reviews, so again, I got it in the travel size, and it is a new formulation. So it's I think it's a wax base. Yeah, it says whipped melting waxes, and it basically melts into itself. So if you keep layering, it's going to be essentially one coat instead of multiple. It's also going to hold a curl really well, which is my issue. I have really straight long lashes, so I like something that's going to give me a bit of a curl. And then it has an infinity brush, and it's their brand new formula that I wanted to try, especially since I got some training on it. I wanted to be able to tell my clients if I liked it or not and what my experience was with it. But yeah, I actually have a different mascara on today, obviously, that I will be doing a review on as well. I can't wait for that. But I'm really excited to use that mascara. I really want to try it. Okay, and then the next three things are all from Lancome. I think Lancome was on sale for like 50% off or something, so I picked up quite a few items. The first one is a mascara. I got two, and this is the Hypnose mascara. It is a cult favorite. I got it in the black one. It's supposed to make it really long, your lashes really long and voluminous. So I went ahead and got this one. I got it in black. I cannot wait to use it, but it says, okay, it's all like in another language, but it's a custom wear volume mascara. I don't know that much about it because I haven't had training on this brand yet, but I have heard really good things about it, and it's like the #1 mascara brand in the world, not just in the country. I know that Too Faced has it in the country, but this is in the world, so I wanted to try out Lancome. The next mascara I got from them was actually recommended to me from one of my friends at Ulta, and I don't know how to say this. It's the Difficiles. You're not gonna be able to see that, but it is the lengthening and separating mascara. So this is what the tube looks like. It's just a basic square or rectangle, I guess. Basic rectangle. It has a rose on it. I'm not going to open it because I want to save it, but that is that mascara. I will let you guys know all about that one. And then the last product I got was the setting spray from Lancome, and the reason why I got this one is because I'm out of my Morphe setting spray that I love, but a lot of people have been saying that they like this one, and it's the Fix It and Forget It. And I was like, well, why do you like it so much? And she goes, honestly, it's pretty much equal to the Urban Decay, the Too Faced, everything like that. But the spray is amazing. And I tried the spray and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. I like the spray. And so if it has a good nozzle, I would definitely buy it. That's why I like the Morphe one so much, because it has an aerosol. But this is what this product looks like. And it says, use after your makeup as a setting mist or as a refresher to wake up your makeup. Hold your bottle at arm's length and mist evenly. And so I'm going to see how well it does compared to the Urban Decay, but I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but like, it's such a fine mist that I really like it. So I'm really excited about it. This is such a fine mist that I can't wait to use it, and it smells good too. It's non-sticky, oil-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, and fragrance-free, which I know that my mom's issue is fragrance. She doesn't really like it, so there is no added scent to it. And that is all I picked up from Ulta. Let me know in the comments below what you guys pick up at Ulta when you go shopping and what your favorite product was from my haul. Go ahead and like this video. Follow me on all social media so you can see pictures that I post daily of all these products. And make sure the bell notification is set to on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!